In this video today, I'm going to show you a method of pasting your affiliate link throughout the internet so that you can get the most traffic and the most clicks. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on this amazing platform of Freedom Guide, the platform that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, motivational speeches, and ways of making cash online. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit all notification icon. In this video, I'm going to walk you through searching for keywords, posting your affiliate link on one specific platform in order to get the most results and the sales for your specific niche. So let's go over to my computer where I walk you through the method of doing a search for specific keywords, how to get sales and increase conversion. But I would like to make a request where you do not skip any second of this video. Everything is extremely crucial to have the exact understanding and how to comment and to promote your affiliate link. So let's go over to my computer and I take you through the details. Let's go. Now that we're on my computer, I would love to request that you smash a like and you comment about this video. Below each of my videos, I have compiled an ebook which can take you through the fundamental principles of running a profitable online business. So please go down, download my ebook, understand it, digest it, implement it, guys, and start making cash. So in this video, as I said, I'm going to walk you through the process of searching for keywords and how to get your affiliate link in front of the right eyes. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to a platform by the name of Google Trends. Google Trends gives you the insights of keywords in a specific timing. So we're going to click this and go over. Now, I have done a brief research previously. Now, we're in a time of pandemic. So what everyone is doing is trying to make cash online. So what you can do, for example, you're going to type in a keyword search, for example, making money. You can even go deeper, but because of this brief video, and I don't want to bore you, because I know that you might be busy watching cat videos and ping pong or playing some game, I'm just going to be nice and sweet and go to the game. So you're going to type this in to get an idea of what is happening in the market. So the results that pops up will gives you the trend of how many people are looking for ways of making cash online in this pandemic of this 2020 quarantine. So this gives you an idea of what to search for and what to do. Extremely important, Google Trends. Now, say that you have thought about the niche that you want to promote, which is making money online, and you can go deeper in this niche, guys. What we can do, we're going to go over to a platform which I came across. And here, guys, I did making money on Facebook. So this is even more specific. And what happens, you'll get the number of traffic of people searching for this or these keywords on Google Trend, as you can see. Now, there was a sharp increase here, guys. Can you see this? This is good. You can make the best advantage of this situation. When you go further down, you're going to get to the areas where people are looking for these search terms. For example, in the United States, all of these guys, these are potential aspects or clients of making cash from their searches. So Google Trends gives you this insider, which gives you idea of what to promote at a specific time in the year. Here they say South Carolina. Guys, are you getting value so far? Please smash a like and type below value. And also tell me where you're watching this video from. I love to know your location so I can think of ways of making cash in your area, all you beautiful people. So if you go down, guys, you get more information. For example, ClickBank, where you can get affiliate products and so forth. So what we're going to do, we're going to go even deeper. We're going to go over to a website by the name of SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is just a platform that gives you the ranking of other websites. For example, we're going to use a platform by the name of medium.com. Guys, do not skip any of this video. Take your time with me. If you think I'm going too fast, please put in the comment below. I'm going too fast. If I'm going too slow, tell me. So I speed up, slow down, now and then. What's important, you get the correct understanding of making cash online and stop complaining to me. And guys, I'll have a bonus at the end, okay guys? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over to this platform and you're gonna type in any website that you came across which is famous. I will use a website by the name of medium.com. Medium.com is extremely powerful, guys, and there's much to come. So I've typed this in, and what I found out that this has over 193 million search per month. And where these traffic comes from, guys, majority of the traffic comes from about, look, United States of America, which is extremely fabulous, guys. So on the right, you say United States, 29%, which is great. India, okay, United Kingdom, great. So guys, we have found a platform that we can get enormous amount of traffic for free. And we have found or generated a past, a word title or keywords that we will use to locate a product that we can promote. So let me just take you over to the website. So the name of the website is medium.com. Extremely powerful, and you can do a lot. Yes, it might take some time, but what's important, you start getting your information on this platform and you try to rank it by choosing the correct words in your article in order to get your article in the correct views of your prospective customers. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to come over to medium.com and you're going to get an idea of what is being posted. So I went deeper, guys, and I typed in, okay, medium.com rules for promoting affiliate links, and you can promote an affiliate link on the platform. However, you have to be careful and you have to keep in mind the rules that they have. You have to make a disclaimer for each affiliate link that you have, or you can create a landing page. If you don't know what's a landing page, I've created a video, I think it was yesterday. So please go down into the Play Store or the playlist which is below and look at the video which I created speaking about a landing page. Extremely important. In addition, if you want to just stay to a affiliate link within, you're free to do that. But please come over and read the rules when posting affiliate link within your article. So this is a platform, guys. We can go deeper and look what people are posting, how they're posting, which you can do later. So guys, so we have found a website which is amazing. You get a lot of traffic, as you can see here, over 193 million per month. You then need to start thinking about articles that you will be writing and posting on this platform. Now, I went deeper, guys, and I typed in work from home, and you can just do this as a tester, medium.com, to see what people are posting on this platform. What you're going to do after locating information that people are posting, you're going to model them. So this, I just found this, guys. Look, working from home, medium.com. This is on the Google search engine. Extremely powerful because of the backlink. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over and get an idea of what people are doing. You're going to create an article similar to this, have the correct heading, have a few pictures, have a complete article in terms of, let me just go to you and show you what's happening. Let's go to the first frame. So you can pass by and look, there are many articles on this platform, guys. I don't want to go into depth, but let me just show you, for example, work. Just okay, guys, you can go, okay, these are some of the articles that are being posted, which I highly recommend that you pass by and get an idea of what's being posted, and you model these people. Extremely important, guys. So after you have organized yourself to post articles in this, you have to then think about information, keywords, which is a bit tedious if you do not have knowledge in that specific niche. After you have gathered your articles, say for example you're going to do a review article about making money online in this current pandemic, you then need to think about products that you want to promote within that article. And I'll take you over to an affiliate platform by the name of ClickBank. ClickBank is free to sign up to. It's worldwide, accepts people from all parts of the globe except for Nigeria and Zimbabwe. So if you're from this country, I recommend that you go to another affiliate platform by the name of Digistore24 and you sign up. It's for free. Guys, are you getting value? Please smash the like and right below. I love money. So we're going to go into my ClickBank account and I'm going to just walk you through a way of locating products which are related to making cash online. So you're going to go in to your ClickBank back office and you're going to scroll to the left where it says categories. Go down, click this, then you're going to scroll to, for example, affiliate marketing, and you're going to look for products that are of a high gravity, the sales are high, and if possible, rebilling. It's important that you find a product that is rebuilt to the customer's bank account. So you're going to come over and you're going to look for products like affiliate boots, super affiliate. This is great because the commission is high. So if you get one sale, guys, you make about $595, which is great. So say that we want to promote this product. We then need to go over back to this platform of medium.com. When you come to medium.com, guys, you need to do a lengthy paragraph, say about 9 minutes long with pictures just similar to them. Now let me just see, how long is this? This was posted 5 minutes ago. Now some of these might be, let me just go deeper. No, some of these articles are about, say, 20. This is good. This is good. 22 minutes. Guys, keep in mind these. You need to have a complete heading because this is what Google search for. Then you need to have the correct search terms within the article, guys. And I don't want to go in, but keep in mind that you have to have the correct title or a title that is relevant to what people are looking for based on the situation that they're living in, which is making money online or in a pandemic of having the coronavirus and so forth. Keep all these in mind and so forth. But this needs time. You need to be on it, say a day, say 1 hour to 2 hours, creating information which are ranked on Google. Extremely important, guys. Whew. It's going to take some time, but I can assure you after a period of time, you will be getting the traffic based on the traffic sensors of SimilarWeb, which is over 198 million per month. Extremely important, guys. And do not forget the affiliate products that you are here. Now, when you come over to this platform, you can put your affiliate links again, as I've mentioned previously. However, I would say that you create a landing page and put the landing page link within the article. So guys, I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this video. Please take action and start making those articles. If you're having problems creating articles and you're saying, oh, I can't do this, guys, I'm here for you. I have a service of $199 where I will create about 3 to 4 articles for you on medium.com, only for $199. I cannot guarantee you a sale, but I can give you a starter where I produce the articles for you, about 3. I'll give the pictures and I'll give relevant keywords, searches that you can be ranked on Google whenever Google does the search term for you or for the customers that are looking for the information that you have. This is only for $199 as a starter. So if you're interested, please pop me an email in the description below. You can find my email address below. And please write in the subject of the email, I would like a Medium article so I can differentiate your emails from other people. So guys, take action today. If you want me to do the service for you, I'm here for you. I can produce about 3 or 4 articles that are relevant. In addition, if you want to take this to another level, you can go down, download my ebook, and understand online marketing even greater. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you've loved it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notification icon. In addition, guys, please share my video with all your friends and family across the world. Do not be selfish. Do not just consume the knowledge and keep it to yourself. Share it with the world. Wish for others good. So guys, I wish that everyone could quit their job and be at home making cash online, of course. So thank you for watching, and do not go anywhere, you beautiful people. I'll have about 3 videos that will be popping up in your beautiful eyes that will change your mindset of making cash online, entrepreneurship, and much more. So please watch this video and see you in a few hours with my new content. Take care, keep safe, be rich, and bye.